tonight. Flash flood watch for the East Troublesome, Cameron Peak, Williams Fork, and Colwood burn scars in effect from 11 a.m. Friday morning through 9 p.m. Friday evening. What? Flash flooding and debris flows caused by excessive rainfall are possible. Where? The East Troublesome, Cameron Peak, Williams Fork, and Colwood burn scars. When? From 11 a.m. Friday morning through 9 p.m. Friday evening. Impacts, heavy rainfall, up to 1 inch in 30 to 45 minutes, will be possible with thunderstorms.
Ooh.
Residents in and immediately next to recent burn scars should prepare for potential flooding impacts. Be sure to stay up to date with information from local authorities. Heavy rainfall could trigger flash flooding of low-lying areas, small streams and canyons, and debris flows. Plan now so you will know what to do in an emergency. Keep informed by listening to local radio and television for statements and possible warnings. Follow the advice of public safety officials. The 2 p.m. observations around northeast Colorado.
So that's a flash flood watch. As you can see, my watch light isn't on. And that's probably because KEC76 does not tone flash flood watches. It's kind of a shame, but you get what you get. I wouldn't be surprised. I would be a little bit surprised if EMNet toned that or something out. I don't know. I got a flash flood watch.